Hello everyone and welcome to Yummy or Asian Khmer Foods Channel. Today I'm going to showing you about how to steaming Boesemania Microlepis. It is very easy and quick recipe. However, you will need several ingredients and a good concentration in order to make a perfect food. So let's get started. Here you can see mango. Okay, mango. And this is wing bean. Okay, and this one, I'm sorry, I don't know how to call it. Okay, if all audience know about this vegetable, please comment in the below. Okay, and tell me how to call in English. For in Cambodia they call speak Ranyang. Okay, speak Ranyang. So I'm sorry, I don't know how to call in English. And here tomato, cucumber, and here lamb. Okay, and this one is okay, all of this here we call around eggplant. And here salad, okay, garlic, bitter melon, carrot. Okay, you can see here carrot. Okay, and here pork. And this we call, okay, and here you can see this fish, dry fish. Okay, we call Boesemania Microlepis. Okay, Boesemania Microlepis, you can see. Okay, for this fish is very expensive in Cambodia. Yeah, 200 gram, and for 100 gram is $2.10. Okay, now you can see it is very expensive. And pork here. Okay, now we go to make the process step by step. Okay, for the first time we need to slice pork here, thinly sliced pork. Okay, you can see in the video here. We need to chop the pork, as you can see in the video here. Okay, and here you can see we need to chop it until it's similar powder. I don't know how to call it. Okay, and I'm sorry for my English, it's very bad. Yeah, we are done for chop pork here. We are done. Now we add pork in the bowl here, and here fish we need to do like that. Cut it in half. Okay, you can see. And we add in the broth on the pork. Okay. Very nice. Okay, and here the garlic, we need to break it. Okay, we break the garlic here. Okay, very nice. Yeah, we need to slice. Okay, and then we add in the pot here. Okay, and then we need to slice salad. Okay, salad with one tuber for salad. Okay, yeah. And we need to slice chili, red chili, yeah. And after that, we need to add in the pot, as you can see in the video. Okay, that is very yummy. We add sugar. For sugar, we add 2 spoons. Seasoning, we add only 1 spoon. Add cooking oils, half spoon. Okay, as you can see in the video, it is very yummy recipe. Okay, very nice. We add only 1 egg duck. Okay, add in the center, as you can see in the video. Okay, very nice and looking good. And very yummy recipe, as you can see. We add pot in the gas cooker, and then we add pot in here. Okay, as you can see, it is very good. Now we need to steam it, and we wait about 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes or 35 minutes. Okay, now we wait. See in the video here, we are done for steam. And then we need to add cilantro here, cilantro. Okay, now you can see in the video here. Okay, very nice. Okay, for right now we are done for steaming Boesemania Microlepis. Okay, it is very yummy and now good smell. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, and here it is very good smell and delicious. Very yummy for Khmer food. Okay, now you can how to cooking Khmer food in Asia here. And this is vegetable. Okay, we slice already. Okay, I show you already. Okay. And thank you very much for everyone that always like, comment and share on my video. And please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment and share my video to get more video update. And thank you very much for all audience always watching on Yummy channel. So please don't forget subscribe my channel to get more video update. Thank you, goodbye, see you next video, bye bye.